What's up, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a nice 2015 Harley Davidson Sportster 883 Iron. Good looking bike. It's got the flat sand camo denim paint, which I'm a big fan of. Got the blacked out motor. Real tough looking bike. This one's got the 883cc fuel injected V-twin, 5-speed transmission. You got mid controls on this bike. Good looking wheels, single disc, brake up front, really shows it off. Now this one's set up for a solo rider, so it doesn't have a passenger seat or passenger pegs. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and then we give it a professional detail. It's kind of sprinkling out here today, so if you see any water spots, that's why. It's got a good tire on the rear, plenty of tread, got the side-mounted license plate. Bike's in excellent condition. Got your battery tender pigtail down there. It's got one very, very small little paint chip on the tank. Got some nice mirrors. I think those aren't factory mirrors. This is a good beginner bike, good affordable bike if you're looking to get on a Harley. 883 still got plenty of pep. Good tire on the front. It's got the blacked out forks. And this bike's only got 3,789 miles. Bike runs fantastic. This thing is ready to go, guys. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.